Alright, so today we're diving into the world of fashion and retail, specifically the strategic move by Sunglass Hut to collaborate with Ray-Ban on an exclusive capsule collection. Now, this isn't just about selling shades, it's a masterclass in brand positioning and consumer engagement. So, what makes this partnership so significant? Well, let's break it down. First off, Sunglass Hut is no stranger to the game of exclusive product launches. They're leveraging this strategy to reinforce their authority in the premium sun market. In my opinion, this move is a smart one, as it allows them to create a unified global retail statement while offering something unique to their customers. It's like saying, hey, we've got something special for you. Now, the collection itself is a fun twist on classic Ray-Ban silhouettes. They've taken the iconic Zena and Mega Wayfarer II and given them a modern makeover with white frames and grey lenses. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a visual impact in store. White frames, in particular, are a bold choice, and Filippo Resini, the president of Sun Retail at EssilorLuxottica, explains that they add a clean and versatile feel while still making a statement. Personally, I think this is a brilliant way to capture the attention of shoppers who are always on the lookout for something fresh and trendy. But it's not just about the frames. The collection also reflects a broader trend in the eyewear industry. Oversized, statement-making glasses are all the rage, and Ray-Ban is capitalizing on this. By pushing their classic shapes towards bolder proportions, they're staying relevant and appealing to a wider audience. It's like saying, we're not just a heritage brand, we're a trendsetter. Now, let's talk about the bigger picture. Sunglass Hut is positioning itself as a multi-brand one-stop shop, a curator of sorts. Consumers are increasingly treating sunglasses as a fashion accessory, and Sunglass Hut is making it easy for them to discover the best brands in one place. This is where the QR-enabled style quiz comes in. By offering personalized Ray-Ban recommendations, they're adding an interactive layer to the shopping experience, making it more engaging and fun. But it's not just about the in-store experience. The digital activations, including e-commerce and social media campaigns, are a smart move to reach a wider audience. It's like saying, we're not just a physical store, we're a digital destination too. Now, let's talk pricing. The collection ranges from €137 to €223 globally and $160 to $255 in the US. While this might seem like a premium price point, it's important to remember that consumers are paying for the brand, the exclusivity, and the overall experience. It's like buying a piece of fashion history. In my opinion, this collaboration is a win-win for both brands. Ray-Ban gets to stay relevant and trendy, while Sunglass Hut gets to reinforce its authority in the premium sun market. It's a smart move that leverages the power of exclusivity and in-store experiences to create a unique and engaging shopping journey. So, what do you think? Is this the future of retail? Or is it just a passing trend? Let me know in the comments below.